words between the BJP and the Congress, which is now escalating. Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal has lashed out at the Election Commission now and has accused the poll body of partiality towards the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has raked up the Prime Minister's Rajasthan speech and has asked what happened after the EC wrote a letter regarding the speech to JP Nadda. He has claimed that the EC remains a spectator to all violations to the code of conduct by the union government. He's also further stated that the EC issues a notice whenever an opposition leader says anything, but does not act as far as the central government and the BJP is concerned. Let's first listen into these allegations.
Then what happened? Rajasthan speech of Prime Minister. How many complaints the Election Commission got? Then they wrote a letter to Nadda at that point of time also. What happened to that after that letter? Election Commission is a mere spectator of all the violations of code of conduct by the union government. Now they have a special privilege to do whatever they want, to speak whatever they want. Election Commission is only sitting there ideally. Whenever an opposition leader is saying something, they will issue notice. That's all.
Alright, there of course you've heard, viewers, what K.C. Venugopal has to say. Remember, I'd like to bring a little context to all of these statements. Yesterday itself, the poll body had wrapped both the BJP and the Congress. It had written a letter to BJP chief JP Nadda as well as Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge asking both the parties to correct their campaign discourse. The ECI instructed the BJP as well as the Congress to issue formal directives to their star campaigners to maintain a decorum and exercise caution as far as their public speeches were concerned. Meanwhile, K.C. Venugopal now claims that a special privilege is being granted to the Bharatiya Janata Party and he's also hit out at the EC questioning the poll body, stating that they're sitting idle. My colleague Anand Singh joins on the broadcast to give us more details. Anand, fresh statements by a very senior Congress leader after the EC's notices yesterday.
Yeah, Congress General Secretary Organization K.C. Venugopal has taken a dig at the Election Commission, questioning the flexibility and fairness of the Election Commission. As he mentioned that how the Congress had made several complaints against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech in Rajasthan, Jalore and Rajasthan, Jalore last month. So he had mentioned how the communal words were used by Prime Minister during his public meetings, which he addressed in Rajasthan, and how, despite several complaints that the Congress made to the poll panel, the Election Commission has not taken any action against it. So he has questioned the fairness of the Election Commission, and he said that the elections are not fair in the election and there is no level playing field in this election. As far as action is concerned on the Prime Minister or any of the BJP leaders, as the Election Commission has earlier also given a notice to BJP President and even Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge over the communal remarks and other remarks that were made in the complaint to the Election Commission by both the parties. So, however, both the parties have not received what kind of action the Election Commission is taking on such remarks. However, now Venugopal has once again targeted the Election Commission, saying that it is working only for the BJP and other leaders of the BJP and they are not taking action against him. Whereas as far as fairness of the election is concerned, all the agencies that are with the BJP, they are working for them, either it is ED, CBI or the Election Commission. So he has questioned the fairness of the Election Commission once again during this special Lok Sabha 2024.
Alright, and two phases of polling is in fact still left. Anand, thank you for joining us, but we also have Dr. Avitesh Upadhyay of the BJP joining us this morning. Good morning, sir. Thank you for speaking to News X. 10-point notice was issued by the ECI to both the BJP as well as the Congress, asking both JP Nadda as well as Mallikarjun Kharge to ensure that the star campaigners correct their campaign discourse and are mindful of what they say. Now KC Venugopal has come out to say that the Election Commission is just a silent spectator when it comes to so-called violations of the MCC, and that a special privilege is being given to the BJP and the EC is also sitting idle is what he has claimed. What would your response be to the Congress?
देखिए, जो कांग्रेस के महासचिव है केसी वेणुगोपाल जी, जिस तरह से वो बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से वो अपना बयान दे रहे हैं, उससे ये महसूस हो चुका है। और जिस तरह से उनके और नेता दे रहे हैं, चाहे उनके राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हों, चाहे राहुल गांधी हो, चाहे उनके जो प्रियंका गांधी हो, कोई भी बड़ा नेता कांग्रेस का जो बयानबाजी कर रहा है, उससे ये प्रतीत होने लगा है कि इनकी जो घबराहट है हारने की, वो इनके सामने आने लगी है। जिस प्रकार से 5 चरणों के चुनाव हुए हैं, उसमें जिस तरह से जनता ने जो अपनी वोटिंग की, अपना मतदान किया है विकास के लिए, उसको देखते हुए पूरे का पूरा कांग्रेस और उनका जो गठबंधन है इंडिया अलायंस पूरी तरह से घबरा चुका है। इसीलिए बात कर रहे हैं तानाशाही लोकतंत्र विरोधी सरकार को दिल्ली से हटाना चाहते हैं। अरे किसकी बात करते हैं आप? तानाशाही भूल गए केसी वेणुगोपाल जी क्या? जब उन्हें आपने 84 में जब दिल्ली का पूरे देश में देश की सड़कों को सिख भाइयों के लहू से लहूलुहान किया था, तब लोकतंत्र कहाँ गया था? कांग्रेस पार्टी का संविधान कहाँ गया था? जब 1990 में कश्मीर से ब्राह्मणों को निकाला जाता है, हिंदुओं को निकाला जाता है, वहां के हिंदुओं की बहन बेटियों के साथ अभद्र व्यवहार किया जाता है, उनके जेवर छीने जाते हैं, मंगलसूत्र छीने जाते हैं, उनकी जमीनें छीनी जाती है, तब कांग्रेस का लोकतंत्र कहाँ था? तब संविधान कहाँ था? जब देश का बंटवारा किया कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, तब कहाँ था लोकतंत्र? आज यदि 2014 से 24 तक 10 साल में हमारा देश प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित कर रहा है विश्व पटल पर, तो इन्हें दिखाई दे रहा है लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, संविधान खतरे में है, ईडी और सीबीआई सब इनके बीजेपी के अंदर में। अरे भाई, अब तो ये ईडी और सीबीआई अपना काम कर रही है। पहले तो ये चाहता, पहले तो सब कुछ भी बनाकर रखा था पहली सरकारों ने। आज इनको अपना कर्तव्य निर्वहन करने के लिए छूट मिली हुई है, इसलिए वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं फ्री होकर।
All right, sir. With that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, of course, sharing your views regarding KC Venugopal's fresh statement.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.